Next we are going to study the place value chart. Okay, in normal numbers you know how to write the place values. Okay, now see 26.539. Now here we are going to write the place value chart of this number. See, the number before the decimal point is 26. That in this case 26 it is easy to say the place value. Place value 6 is this 1's place and 2 is 10's place. Okay, that you know. Now, how can we write the place value of the numbers lying after the decimal point 5, 3 and 9? How can we? So, be careful. The number just after this point is in the 10's place. 10's place. And the next is 100th place. And after that, first is 10, then 100th and 1000. So, before the decimal, 1's, 10's, 100, 1000, it goes on like this. After the decimal point, 10's, 100, 1000's, etc. Okay. Now, let us see. $78.014. Now let us draw the place value chart and do. See here, before decimal point, 2 places are there. So 1's place and 10th place is there, and a place to put the point that we have to leave here. Then, okay, 10's place, 1's place, and the number in the 1's place is 8. Number in the 10's place is 7. After that, a decimal point is there. Then 3 places are there. That is 10th. Not starting with 1's. 10th, 100 and 1000. So 10th. 10's place. 100th place. Then 1000th place. Okay, now we can write in order. After the point, the first number is 0. It is in the 10th place. Now 1, it is in the 100th place. And 4 is in the 1000th place. Is it clear now? Let us do some more question. Next question. 723.69. How can we write this in place value chart? See, before the point, 3 places are there. So here we need one more place, that is 1's, 10's, 100. Okay, now we can start writing. The number in the 1's place is 3. Then 10's place is 2 and 100's place is 7. Then after that, decimal point. So put the decimal point. Then after the decimal point, which are the numbers 6 and 9. 6 is in the 10's place. And 9 is in the 100th place. Okay. Can do one more question. 20.361. First see the number lying just before this point. This 20. And the number after the decimal point is 3, 6 and 1. So the 0 is in the 1's place. So in the 1's place 0. 2 is in the 10th place. So it is over. Then decimal point. After that 3 is in the 10th place. 6 is in the 100th place. 1 is in the 1000th place. Okay. And some more thing is there. Now our decimal fraction, it can be converted into decimal numbers, and decimal number can also be converted into decimal fractions. Okay, now see a number here, 78.014. There are 2 sections, the number lying before the point and number lying after the point. So here the number 78, the number which is lying just before the point, that 78 is called the whole number part. whole number part. So number line just before the point is called the whole number part, or another name is also there, integer part. Whole number or integer part. So the number line before this point, that is 78, 723, 20, these numbers are called whole number part of a decimal number or the integer part of a decimal number. And this part, the number line after the point is called the decimal part of the given decimal number. Okay, so this part is called whole number part or integer part, and this is called the decimal part. Okay, now let us see how can we write the place value of each of the digits in a given decimal number. Okay, here we have to write the place value of each of the digits written here. Okay, we know 8 is in the ones place, 7 is in the tens place, here 0 is in the tens place, this is hundredth place, this is thousandth place. So okay, so let us write the place value. Here we have to write the place value of each of the digit. Now first let us write the place value of 7. 7 lies in which place? Ones, tens place. Okay, so 7's place value is 7 into 10, which is equal to 70. So place value of 7 is 70. Now next number 8. 8 is in the ones place. So 8 into 1, which is equal to 8. So place value of 8 is 8 itself. Okay, next moving to the decimal part. Now whole number part is clear, or integer part. Okay, now next we are moving to the decimal part. First 0. We have to write the place value of 0. So 0 lies in which place? 10th place. 10th. So 0's place value is 0 into 10th means 1 by 10. Okay, 0's place value is 0 into 1 by 10. Which is equal to 0 into any number is 0 itself. So the place value of 0 is 0 itself. Now next 1. It lies in which place? 10th, 100th place. So place value of 1 can be written as 1 into 1 by 100. Okay. Now 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is 1 itself by 100. Now we study how can we express this decimal fraction. Okay, 1 by 100. So I write the numerator as it is, and how many zeros are here? 2 zeros. So after 2 place we have to put the 0. So 1 place. Second, there is no number, so we will put a 0. So 1, 2. So after 2 places we are putting a point. So place value of 1 is 0.01. Next 4. Place value 4. It lies in 1's 10th, 100th place. So 4 can be written as 4 into 1 by 10th, 100,000th place. So 4 can be written as 4 into 1 by 1000. 4 into 1 is 4 itself. So 4 by 1000. So we have to express in decimal form. So 4 write as it is. How many zeros? 3 zeros. So after 3 places we have to put a point. So 1 place is here, 2nd place, 3rd place. So after that 3rd place we put a decimal point. Before that also we can put it. So place value of 4 is 0.004. Is it clear? Okay, now I will give you some question and I will say a number and you have to write the place value of that given number. 745.87. Here you have to write the place value of 5. So start counting. Point. This number is a whole number part or integer part. So 5 lies in the ones place. So place value 5 is 5 into 1, which is equal to 5. Now 60.59. You have to write the place value 6. So this is whole number part. So see 1's place, 10's place. 6 lies in 10's place. So 6 into 10, which is equal to 60 is the place value 6. Now 3.594. We have to write the place value of 5. Now see 5, it lies in the decimal part and it is a number just lying near to the decimal point and it is in the 10th place. Okay, so place value 5 is 5 into 1 by 10. So 5 into 1 is 5 by 10. Now we have to find the decimal form of this. See, write the numerator as it is. Here 1 0 is there. So after one place you have to put the point. Okay, so place value 5 is 0.5. I hope it is clear for you.